Hey guys, we're still on lesson 2.2 and now we're going to look at do the math. So if you want to find this lesson, 2.2, operations with complex numbers. Alright, so again we're going to look at complex numbers. If you remember, just going to remind you that a complex number is written in the form a plus bi. A plus bi. So what we're going to do is combine the real parts and the imaginary parts. So it says given the equation, we've got negative 7 plus 6i, and then we're going to add that to 13 minus 2i. So what we need to do is find the real parts, so negative 7 and 13. So we're just going to add those together, and then we're going to add the imaginary part together. So we've got negative 6 minus 2i. So we're going to put 6i here. Then we're going to write it all together as a plus bi. So negative 7 plus 13 would be 6. And then 6i minus 2i would be plus 4i. Alright, moving on to multiplication. So if we multiply two binomials, you know we use distributive property. So it's the same even if we have complex numbers. So we're going to do 5 times negative 3, which is negative 15. 5 times 2i, which is 10i. And then negative I times negative 3 is positive 3i. And then the negative I times 2i is negative 2i squared. Alright, coming down, we're going to bring down our 10i, and then we're going to change the I squared. So see here it says substitute, so remember negative 1 is equal to I squared. So negative 2 times negative 1 is just plus 2. And then again we're going to combine our real numbers. So we've got negative 15 plus 2, so it's negative 13. And then 10i plus 3i. So that would be 13i. And that's it. So that's how you add and multiply complex numbers. If you have any questions, let me know.